boys and girls. I want to talk to you today about your TEK number 4.6D, and it has to do with classifying 2D shapes. Those are the flat shapes with perpendicular lines, parallel lines, and types of angles. And so the first thing we're going to look at is types of polygons. And remember a polygon, the definition of a polygon, it's a closed figure with straight sides. Okay, so a circle is not a polygon, a oval is not a polygon, a heart is not a polygon. But the rest of your 2D shapes, like your rectangles, your square, your rhombus, your parallelogram, those are considered polygons. So this one right here is basically you have triangle, quadrilateral, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon, and decagon. You're going to draw a picture of each. Now, if your teacher allows it, I would suggest that you get online and you look up the picture of what each one of these looks like. Now, these right here, triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, you shouldn't have to do that. Octagon, you should know how to do that. And we are looking at the traditional ones, not the non-traditional ones. So you're going to draw a picture, then you're going to write how many sides it has, and then you're going to write the number of angles, okay? So you're only going to be doing one of these sheets, but you're going to be doing it. So you might have to look up and reference what the picture looks like. Then you're going to, again, number of sides and number of angles. And this one is called types of polygons. And remember, polygons are a closed figure, plane figure that have at least 3 straight sides and angles. Okay, the next thing that you're going to be doing is classifying quadrilaterals. Okay, this again is along the same lines. Look back at your notes. You're going to look at trapezoid, parallelogram, rhombus, rectangle, square. And you're going to, how many sets of parallel lines? Now these are all your traditional ones. How many sets of parallel sides? How many sides of equal length? How many right angles? Now remember, a pair is 2, okay, just so that you understand that. So these are our traditional. When you get down here, it says name that quadrilateral. Okay, you're going to look at them and you're going to name all the attributes, the things that you can talk about. Like when you look at a square, how many sides does it have? Maybe how many sides are parallel? How many sides are congruent, which means basically same size, same shape. So you're going to write everything that you can about each one of these quadrilaterals. And again, what is a quadrilateral? Well, remember, a quadrilateral is a 4-sided shape. And these are all 2D. Why are they 2D? Because they are flat. So these are 2 of the things that you're going to do on this page. Let's see. Okay, this one, name that quadrilateral. Okay, on the naming the quadrilateral, you're going to look at the shape. And again, this is just going over and over so that you understand and you truly understand what each shape represents. So you're going to look at this shape. You're going to talk about how many pairs of parallel sides, how many sides of equal length, congruent, remember, how many right angles, and then how many names can you give this dimensional figure. So you probably all know that this is a quadrilateral because it's a 4-sided shape. But it also has another name to it. And so you're going to write down how many names that you can give this figure. Polygon, a quadrilateral, and I will tell you it is also a parallelogram. Okay? So you're going to do, that's the next thing that you're going to be working on. I think that might be it. Let's see if I can get any more to come up. It doesn't want to click. Okay, that's it. So, these are the things you're going to be working on today. All about polygons. It's your TEK 4.6D. It has to do with 2D shapes and recognizing parallel, perpendicular lines, also what kind of angles they might have, and whether they're parallel, and that's it. That's today's lesson. See y'all later. Bye.